Who are you and what are you studying in Turkey?
Hello, my name is Oruç Çakır and I am currently studying computer engineering at Top University of Economics and Technology in Turkey.
Why did you decide to do an internship in Germany?
I decided to do an internship in Germany because I wanted to gain international experience and work with cutting-edge technology in a different cultural environment.
What are your tasks and projects at ZEKI?
At ZEKI, my main task involved integrating the OPAK framework agents with Node-RED as custom nodes and developing chatbot that interacts with these agents using the ChatGPT API. And this chatbot enables users to communicate with these agents by speaking, by texting, and by visual data.
What do you like the most about your work here?
I enjoy innovating new solutions, particularly automating the task of creating custom nodes, which was initially given to me as an internship task. I have done this by automation, by developing the node creator node, and also loved working on the chatbot, which became one of my favorite projects.
What have you learned so far, or what new skills have you acquired?
I have learned a great deal about the integration of artificial intelligence systems with Internet of Things platforms. I have also developed skills in problem solving, especially in addressing challenges like managing the repetitive code and training the chatbot to interact with OPAK agents.
How do the universities in Turkey and Germany differ?
I think German universities emphasize practical and real-world applications, while Turkey universities focus on more theoretical knowledge.
What do you find better or more interesting in Germany?
I find the collaboration between industry and academia in Germany very valuable, as it allows students to work on impactful projects.
Why should other students do an internship at ZEKI?
Because ZEKI offers a chance to work on innovative projects with cutting-edge technology, applying theoretical knowledge in a practical setting.
What would you recommend to future interns to get the most out of their internship?
I recommend them to be productive, explore new ideas, and learn as much as possible from their experts around them.
Thank you.